This engine makes 495 horsepower, and it's not even sold where you're watching this from, unless you're in the Middle East, because the 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO was built for one region and one region only, and that exclusivity is exactly what makes it so fascinating. Here's the setup. Nissan took the all-new Y63 generation Patrol, handed it to their NISMO performance division, and said, make it the most powerful Patrol ever built. The result? A twin-turbo V6 pushing 495 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, the highest output the VR35 DDTT engine has ever produced anywhere in the world. That's 35 more horsepower than the US market Armada NISMO, its closest cousin, thanks to region-specific tuning. No official 0 to 100 time exists, but estimates put it around 6 seconds for a full-sized 3-row SUV. Let that sink in. But raw power isn't the whole story. Imagine this, a suspension that thinks for itself. NISMO-tuned E-dampers adjust in real time, sharpening the ride the moment the road changes. The steering was recalibrated too, light and easy through city streets, but confident and planted the instant you hit the highway. Ground clearance sits at 226 mm, but with adaptive air suspension, it can rise to nearly 277 mm. It's built to be composed off-road and controlled on it, a genuinely rare combination. Now look at it. You'll notice this isn't a subtle body kit. GTR-inspired aerodynamics, a 3-piece rear spoiler, an extended front fascia, and a Formula E-style rear fog light give it unmistakable road presence. The body kit actually adds 90 mm to the length and 40 mm to the width over the standard Patrol. 22-inch forged raised wheels fill the arches, and the reworked V-Motion grille with its 3D honeycomb mesh and NISMO red accents makes sure nobody mistakes this for a regular Patrol. 5 colors are available, including an exclusive stealth gray you won't find on any other trim. Here's where it gets interesting though, because inside it's a different kind of aggressive. Twin 14.3-inch displays anchor the dashboard, joined by a 12.8-inch rear entertainment screen for passengers and a 12-speaker clip sound system that fills the cabin. There's a head-up display, an invisible hood view camera system for tight maneuvers, and full My Nissan connectivity. Ultra suede trim, red stitch bucket seats, sport pedals, brushed metal accents. It looks aggressive, but the cabin actually feels genuinely premium, not gimmicky. It's not just about looking fast either. Nissan loaded it with ProPILOT assistance, lane keep assist, predictive forward collision warning, front and rear automatic emergency braking, blind spot intervention, and rear cross traffic alert. This is a vehicle that still has to carry a family safely, even while wearing a NISMO badge. And that's the real trick here. This is still a genuine Patrol underneath. 3rd-row seating, a massive cargo bay, real everyday usability. But that's not even the best part. Despite the aggressive tuning, this is a vehicle you could genuinely daily drive, school run and all, without ever feeling like you're compromising. So what does all this cost? Converted from the UAE's local pricing, the Patrol NISMO starts at roughly $122,500 USD. Compare that to something like a Toyota Land Cruiser GR Sport or a Lexus LX, and the Patrol NISMO undercuts expectations while out-muscling nearly everything in its class. But here's the catch. You can't just walk into a dealership anywhere and buy one. This is exclusive to the Middle East. Australia hasn't confirmed it. The US gets the Armada NISMO instead, and it's down 35 horsepower. So if you're anywhere else, this remains the one that got away. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO isn't just a faster Patrol. It's Nissan proving that a full-sized SUV can be genuinely thrilling without losing what made it great in the first place. And speaking of vehicles built to break the mold, the next car we're covering might just be the most unexpected reveal yet. You won't want to miss it.